I got this Nespresso Virtuo coffee machine for my birthday, and I was really excited because I've been wanting one. But I did think that there were generic pods that you could buy for it, like there are for the other Nespresso machine. But not these. They're actually still under patent. So I found this little system called Geesta on Amazon, and it's essentially these foil seals that let you recycle your old pods and put your own coffee in there. So we thought we'd try it. It was worth a try. It's about the price of 2 coffee sleeves. You also have to supply your own coffee, which it says to use espresso ground coffee. Cafe Bustelo is one that I like. So what you do, take one of your used pods. You see it's already been through the machine. It's got all the holes. You're going to carefully cut the foil off the top. I'm using an X-Acto knife and I'm going really slow around here. This is not something that I suggest you do in the morning when you're real sleepy and not had your coffee yet. But this is a little kit or craft that you can do once a week or something like that and actually save yourself quite a bit of money. So that's how the foil comes off. Now this has to be emptied out. This coffee can be thrown away or reused for something else, I guess, your garden. And it needs to be washed and dried also. I have a clean one here. It's also dry. This metal thing is really just a holder. So you can stick your capsule inside. So the paintbrush has 2 purposes. One is to get coffee away from the rim. This is to make sure that the seal is able to seal all the way. It's ready to go. It also comes with a little scoop, which also has 2 purposes. It's also a little flattener. I'm going to just do a little bit at a time. I want it to be just about even. And you can use that to press it down. I might use just a little bit more. That's better. This also works pretty well. Yeah, make sure there is no coffee around the little rims. So this is the part that you really can't do in the morning before you've had your coffee. It's basically a little sticker. It has a place to grab it. You can line up that tab with this, but honestly that doesn't help me a whole lot. I just kind of attack it from the top. Yeah. Push it down a little. Now's where your paintbrush is super duper handy. You're going to take the bottom, go around that rim. Pretty gently because this is just foil and you don't want to break that. Go ahead and pull this off. And kind of flatten these also. You don't want to get caught up in your machine, messing up your machine or anything. So I admit this does take a few minutes to do. So it's ready to go. It's ready to go in your coffee machine.